Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. All categories of fuel will see marginal declines effective tomorrow. Each litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 12 cents less. Automotive diesel will see 56 cents being cut off, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by 56 cents. Kerosene will cost 76 cents less. The cost of propane will, however, increase by 49 cents, while butane will lose 21 cents. The Planning Institute of Jamaica (PIOJ) is reporting that the economy grew in the second quarter of the year, bolstered by jobs and other factors. Details were provided at its quarterly press conference. More in this report.
The Planning Institute of Jamaica (PIOJ) is reporting that the economy grew by an estimated 1.4% for the April to June 2025 quarter compared with the corresponding quarter in 2024.
The outturn for the review quarter largely reflected continued growth in most industries. Agriculture, forestry and fishing, and the accommodation and food services industries, two industries that were hardest hit by the weather-related disruptions of 2024, were key drivers of this positive performance.
Director General of PIOJ, Dr. Wayne Henry, added that growth was also supported by an increase in the employed labor force, which expanded by 24,200, along with stronger consumer and business confidence that boosted domestic demand.
Real sector developments in the goods-producing industry. The goods-producing industry grew by an estimated 3.8%. with improved performances recorded for 3 of the 4 industries, namely agriculture, forestry and fishing, manufacturing, and construction. The mining and quarrying industry was estimated to have recorded a contraction due to weakened demand and technical challenges.
Based on current output levels, Dr. Henry says the industry has fully recovered from the shock of Hurricane Beryl and is now in a new growth phase.
The performance of the industry stemmed from 1, a 14.1% growth in the output of other agricultural crops. Increased production was recorded in all 9 crop groups, led by cereals up 27.8%, potatoes up 22.9%, vegetables up 18.9%, condiments up 18.5%, yams up 11.1%, and legumes up 7.4%.
As for the 2025-2026 fiscal year, the PIOJ is projecting GDP growth of between 1 and 2%, supported by continued recovery momentum, stronger domestic demand, and post-hurricane infrastructure investment. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
The JSE index advanced by 151 points today, while the junior market index declined by 20 points. The winners include JMMB Group $8.50 US shares, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Sterling Investments, Omni Industries, and Main Event Entertainment Group. The losers include Iron Rock Insurance Company, Jetcon Corporation, KLE Group, R.A. Williams Distributors, and Cygnus Credit Investments US shares. 22 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.92. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.01. The pound is going for $216.66, while the euro is selling for an average $191.01. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.